Hello, this is Black Ops Zombie Lives, reporting for your duty. And let me teach you about my family. Here's Kevin. Kevin Penny. Come here. Come here. This is Kevin. Say hi, Kevin. He's a little too shy. Here's Andy. My cute little brother. You see him? You see, he wants to get the phone. You see how cute he is? Oh, he's so cute. Look at Kevin. Kevin, he's not camera shy anymore. He's not. Oh, he's taking over. He's taking over. Mom?
Mom, the phone. Pelota.
Look at us. Look.
Pelota.
Are you camera shy? Camera shy? No, okay. You have met my two brothers. Let me introduce you to my little brother, who's not even 1 year old yet. Woo, we're moving on. Look at him. Isn't he cute? Woohoo! Right? Isn't it cute? You have met my three brothers. I can't teach my sister now. She's showering. My mom's at work. And my dad's not here. So I'll make another video. Please subscribe and comment below. Bye, nice. Stay tuned.